In this video, we will compare Robinhood versus SoFi. Robinhood is a popular commission-free trading platform known for its user-friendly interface, making it ideal for beginner investors. The app allows users to trade stocks, options, ETF and cryptocurrencies with no commission fees, which is highly appealing for those who want to avoid traditional brokerage fees. Robinhood also offers fractional shares, allowing users to invest in high-priced stocks with just as little as $1. The mobile app is intuitive and it has a cash management feature with high yield savings accounts, making it easy to manage for both investment and day-to-day finances. With instant deposits and easy access trading tools, Robinhood is great for active traders looking to make a quick decision. However, despite these advantages, Robinhood has several drawbacks. One of its major issues is its lack of advanced trading tools or research features, which can be limited for experienced traders. The platform has also faced criticism for gamifying investing and not offering an in-depth resource that other platforms provide. Robinhood also charges fees for certain services, such as options trading or margin trading, which can be off-putting for some users. Additionally, the platform has experienced security and reliability issues in the past, including outages during major market events, which can lead to frustration for many traders. On the other hand, SoFi is a popular fintech platform that provides a wide range of financial services, including student and personal loans, mortgages, investments and banking. One of SoFi's major strengths is in SoFi Invest, which offers free stocks and ETF trading, as well as access to cryptocurrencies with no commissions. SoFi is also known for its membership benefits, such as career coaching, financial planning, and even access to exclusive events. Its SoFi Money account offers no-fee banking, with high-interest saving features, making it a solid choice for both everyday banking and long-term saving. SoFi's mobile app is intuitive and offers a wide range of educational content for many users. While SoFi may offer many features, its credit card offerings are somewhat limited compared to competitors, and it may not be the best choice for those looking for an extensive credit option. Investment fees also can be higher for managed accounts, while SoFi's other crypto trading is selective. Additionally, SoFi's loan terms may not be as competitive as many competitors, especially for those with a lower credit score will have higher interest rates. Some users feel that the platform's customer support is also lacking and could be improved, particularly with issues relating to loaning services. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.